Hi, my name is Cindy Farr, and I'm the Incident Commander for the Missoula City County Health Department's COVID-19 response. Today is Tuesday, August 18th, and this is my COVID briefing. We've had 389 cumulative positive cases of COVID-19 in Missoula County to date. We've gotten 10 new cases since yesterday. We've had 303 recoveries and 2 deaths. 4 Missoula County residents and 1 non-county resident are currently hospitalized in Missoula County. We have 84 active COVID-19 cases with more than 350 close contacts at this time. Active cases and their known contacts are in quarantine and isolation, and they'll continue to be monitored and supported as needed. The state of Montana is reporting 5,846 cumulative COVID cases, which is up 57 new cases since yesterday. There are now 1,556 active cases with 97 active hospitalizations across the state. There have been 84 deaths related to COVID-19 statewide. Today, I'd just like to remind everyone of the symptoms of COVID-19. According to CDC, the symptoms of COVID-19 include fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, unexplained muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, and diarrhea. Some people may have only 1 or 2 of these symptoms, and some people will have many. So it's important to just monitor yourself for symptoms daily and make sure that you stay home if you develop symptoms. You can call 258-INFO to schedule a free test through our testing facility on Flynn Lane, or you can check our website and get information about other providers who are performing tests for COVID-19. So next, I just want to talk briefly about the governors and our local mask directive. According to the local rule, face shields are not an adequate substitution for a cloth face covering. We have been getting a lot of questions about that. There's just not adequate research to support that the face shield, with it being open at the bottom and the sides, actually provides enough source control, meaning that it doesn't protect others from the person who's wearing the face shield. Also, the governor announced last week that in counties with 4 more active cases, children attending kindergarten through 12th grade must wear a mask in the school setting. We have had some questions about whether this would include daycares or mixed schools that may provide preschool plus kindergarten. According to the directive, it's not mandatory for masks to be used in daycares or preschools, except because of our local order, if there are children over the age of 12 in those settings, then those children would need to wear masks. But according to the directive, if there is a mixed school and they've got kindergarten or above in that school, then the kindergarten class would definitely have to wear a mask or face covering. We know that this can present some challenges with phonics and other aspects of learning, and we're seeking creative solutions for this, such as face coverings with clear plastic windows to facilitate the lip reading. I'm sure that as we move through this pandemic and all of its challenges, other innovative products will become available to help overcome some of these challenges. One last thing I'd like to share today is looking at the numbers. We know that in other areas of the country, older age groups are hit the hardest by this virus. Here in Missoula County, we're seeing significantly more cases in those aged 20 to 40, and particularly in those aged 20 to 29. And while the outcomes fare better in these younger populations, it's still really important to remember that they can still spread it to those who may be more vulnerable. So I would just like to encourage you, no matter what your age, to continue taking precautions: physical distancing whenever possible, face covering when out in public, frequent hand washing, and please stay home if you're sick and get tested if you're having any symptoms. Again, I'd like to remind you that more detailed epidemiological information on Missoula County cases is available on our website at missoula.co/cvirus. So that's it for my briefing for today. As always, you can subscribe to us on YouTube under my name, Cindy Farr, CindyFarr. Click that notification bell so that you get notified when additional videos are uploaded. You can follow us on Facebook at the Missoula City County Health Department's Facebook page, called 258-INFO for general questions about COVID-19, or if you'd like to schedule a test through our free facility out at Flynn Lane. Or you could check out our website at missoula.co/cvirus for more information. As always, everyone stay healthy, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.